In this video, we'll show you how to digitize with puffy foam and make a 3D puffy. The 3D puffy look is achieved by the special foam added below the embroidery. When the embroidery comes on top of the foam, the needle cuts the foam into the shape you want to create. Just make sure that you use a thick needle for this type of application. So, suppose we want to create a raised 3D type of letter. We begin by typing the letter we want, selecting the right font. Let's choose Arial in this case, and then define the size. Of course, you can further resize it at will. Set a high density for the needle penetration points to become close together so that they can cut the foam. Set short long to no, disable corners, and set the underlay to double. We're almost there now. If you take a closer look at the satin stitches, you will see that the satin stitch won't cut the foam at the edges. So, in order to cut the foam, we need to add some satin under these edges. With satin type selected, start the Auto Digitize tool. Create a satin bar on this edge. Again, remember to set the density to high, as explained already. Disable the short, long, and the corners, and set the underlay to double. Now, select this new part, move it to the other side, and right-click to create a duplicate. Likewise, create another duplicate for the lower edge of the letter T. Rotate it and resize to make it fit the size of the lower edge. Finally, switch to Sequence Manager tab, select the T letter, and using the Page Up key on your keyboard, move it to the end of the sequence. These three satin parts will now cut the foam at the three edges of the letter T, while the main satin will come on top and cut the rest of the foam.